Welcome back everyone, and this is the second part of our journey of building a complete CRM SaaS with Django. In the last video, we covered the high level of what and how of Django, and we got hyped about what we are going to build. Today the hype phase is over. Today we are going to get our hands dirty and we set up the foundations for our this series. Before we can write a single line of code, we need to set up a workbench, as you wouldn't get to build a house without hammer and saw, right? In this video, we are setting up the ultimate professional graded development environment for Python. We are going to install Python and set up the worldwide our best favorite code editor VS Code and configure its useful extensions and set up the Git Bash so you would have a pro level terminal interface. If you are on Windows, Mac or Linux, in the end of this video, your computer will be ready to code. Let's jump in. First things first, we need the engine that runs everything, Python itself. Head over to python.org, hover over the downloads tab. The site is usually smart enough to detect your operating system. Go ahead and click the button for latest stable version. Okay, stop, freeze, don't touch anything yet. This right here is the most important step in the entire video. See this little checkbox at the bottom that says add Python to path. You must check this box. If you don't, your computer won't know where Python is hiding and nothing we do later will work. It's a common rookie mistake that causes tons of headaches. So check that box and click install now. Awesome, Python is installed. Let's move on. Next up, we need a terminal, the black box where you write command. If you are Mac or Linux, your built-in terminal is great. Just make sure to install Git using your package manager. But if you are on Windows, the command prompt of PowerShell is frustrating for modern web development. So we are going to install the powerful Linux style Git Bash. Head over to gitscm.com, download the version for Windows. When running this installer, you are going to see a million options. Don't panic. For 99% of us, the default options are perfectly fine. Just keep hitting next until it starts installing. Git Bash gives us two things: the Git version control system, which we need later, and much better terminal experience on Windows. Awesome, Git Bash is installed. Let's move on. We have the engine, we have the controls. Now we need a workbench where we actually write the code. We are using Visual Studio Code, VS Code. Just make sure to don't confuse VS Code with VS Studio Purple, which is enterprise complete IDE. We want VS Code Blue, which is open source, free, lightweight, and frankly speaking is the standard for web development. Head to code.visualstudio.com, download the stable build for iOS. The installation is standard, just click through. Once it's installed, open it up. There is one extension you need, search for Python. It's the first one published by the Microsoft. It has tens of millions of downloads. Click install. This extension is magic. It gives us intelligent auto completion, code linting, and debugging tools. It will automatically install another extension called Pylons. It's good. Let it happen. You can install prettier code formatter also. It auto-indent your code and beautify your code alignment, and it will be very helpful. As you can see, other GitHub Copilot, cost or container you can ignore for now. We will use GitHub for version control in later. Okay, we have installed a lot of stuff. Now the moment of truth comes. Let's make sure everything is talking to each other directly and correctly. In VS Code, go up to the menu bar, click the terminal and then new terminal, or just use the shortcut control backtick. A terminal window should pop up at the bottom of your editor. If you are on Windows, you want to make sure its terminal is using Git Bash. If it says PowerShell over here on the right, click that little drop down arrow and select Git Bash as your default. Now the final test. In this terminal, type Python version and hit enter. If you see a version number pop up, congratulations. It means your path is set up correctly. VS Code sees your terminal and your terminal sees Python. You have fully functional development environment. That is it. Your machine is ready for war. We lay down the basic foundations for our CRM SaaS Django course. No more installations, no more configurations. In next video, we will set up the virtual environment and set up our first Django project, and we will discover how it works. If you find any issue or any problem during the setup, drop a comment. I will help you out. If you successfully install or set up the environment for our project, then hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos so you don't miss any video. See you in next video.